let's learn how you can reduce lag on your new iOS 26. So we have few different things you can do. First one is going to settings and just click on search, type reduce. Okay, we can find it that way, but you can just go accessibility, display. You can reduce transparency and you can also reduce motion. Now you can go back. You can just clear apps in background just by like opening your tab, or you can just go click on backgrounds, open background app refresh, and you can just disable app refresh you don't need. Now you can also restart your phone, check if you have enough storage. If you don't, it may cause your system to stutter. So you can just free up a bit of your storage. You can also force restart your iPhone. And that's it. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.